Hi, everyone. My name is Riel Fadl. I'm the music librarian for Fort Worth Public Library.
Hi, my name is Katie Combs. I'm the adult programming librarian for the Fort Worth Public Library.
And today we're going to go through our new database, JobNow, that is offered through BrainFuse. That's available on our e-resources on our website. We're just going to give you a brief overview of things that you can see on here. So the first part I'm going to talk about is here at the top where you have home, resume, job interviews, and career resources. Home is this front page here where you have all of that available. Everything is separated into sections. So you have resumes, job interviews, and careers. It's going to be the same up here. So it's just going to be in a drop-down menu form. So you have all of those here, here, and here, as well as this search bar here. So if you're just here after you've done all of this, or you already have all of this done and you just want to search for a job, you can search for your career here, put your location here, city, state, zip code. And it'll take you to the website Indeed, and it'll show you some job postings there. There's also an app available through BrainFuse that'll show you this, plus a lot more that BrainFuse has to offer. It's available through Apple Store or Google Play, so on Android or Mac. And then you can also create an account. So for many of these, you don't actually need an account aside from your Fort Worth Library account to access them. But if you do want to save any progress that you've been making while using this website, you can go to login or my account. If you already have a username and password, of course, you put it here. If you forget your password, you can click that. If you don't have a username or password, you can just click sign up. And you can register here with some of the criteria, fairly simple. And then you can go, once you hit next, it'll take you to your account, and then you can hit back on that home page. We're just going to click the back button here. Homepage. And that is a brief overview on just the basic parts of the website. I will give it to Katie so she can go on a little bit more in depth about what we have here under the resume, job interviews, and career.
Thanks, Rita. So on JobNow, we have a ton of interactive resources. The best thing, in my opinion, about JobNow is that you can talk to a live person for any topic. So resume, job interviews, careers. If you just need to speak to a representative about your specific job skills and your specific job search, you can do that. So for resume first, we have our live resume expert, which are available. We also have resume templates, resume resources, a resume lab, and an optimal resume software, which helps you with creating your resume and much more. In our job interview section, we do have an interview coach available for you, as well as interview tips for success and other online resources to help prepare you for your interview. And lastly, our career section, you have a live job coach where you can speak about your job search and how to apply and prepare for your job. We also have unemployment assistant links, career assessments, job resources, and then two really great resources, Skills Surfer and eParachute. So Skills Surfer is a great resource to use if you are trying to build more skills in order to get that job you really want. Or you can use eParachute, which discovers the best college majors and careers that match your skills and interests. So all of these resources are really great for you. Feel free to check them out and let us know if you have any questions at all.
Thank you, Katie. And that's pretty much our brief overview on the website. If you do have any questions, you can contact your local library, speak to your local librarian, and they can walk you through anything on this website, as well as how to get there from our Fort Worth Library website itself.